Welcome to Training Minutes. My name is Dave Dalrymple. Well, our scenario today, we're going to go through an overturned vehicle with a driver that's trapped, actually has a footwell entrapment. What we're going to do, our crew is going to come in, we're going to approach the vehicle, we're going to do a hazard survey, we're going to take care of the patient, we're going to make a pathway to remove the patient, and we're going to do this step by step. As you can see, we have our overturned car. Our crew is coming in now to do a hazard survey. We're doing an inner and outer survey. We have our EMS providers going to come in and make contact with our patient as our crew looks for the rest of the hazards of the vehicle. Now, our EMS provider is going to maintain contact with the patient. Crew is going to come in now, and we're going to stabilize the vehicle so we can start our pathway to get our patient out of the vehicle. First, we're going to fill in the voids underneath the vehicle. Now our crew is going to come in and we're going to put a simple tension buttress stabilization system into the back of the vehicle. As you can see, they've inserted one strut into one side. They're going to take a ratchet strap and run that strap from one strut to the opposite strut on the other side. The closest side to us, we actually had to make a hole for the strut. On the opposite side, there's an existing hole. We're going to open the gas tank flap and use a different bracket and actually use the gas tank, which is reinforced, to put the strut into. Now you see they've connected the strap together. They've tightened the straps, hence they've made a triangle and stabilized the vehicle. Now one of the last things we're going to do on our stabilization is we're going to double check our cribbing. So we're going to come in and tap in and make sure our wedges are secure. Our crews come in, they made a purchase point. We want to expose the latch so we can come in and cut it to begin our side evolution. Okay, our crew is going to come in with a spreader and a hydraulic cutter. They're going to force open the area around the door latch. As you can see, the door is starting to shred, so we're going to end up cutting the door latch, which is a better tactic anyway once we've exposed the door latch itself. Now our other rescuer is going to come in. We're going to cut the door latch. Now you can see, rescuers, we got the door open. Okay, our rescue crew is going to come in now. We're going to pull the interior trim to look for airbags and such. We're also going to cut the door strap to widen the door opening a little bit more. Now you notice we have a shatterproof shield in between our patient and our crew, which is important because we want to always protect our patient. We also have an EMS provider still providing care with the patient the whole time. Now first we're going to make a cut into the B post. We're going to sever the B post, and then we're going to make a relief cut into the, which would be now the bottom of the B post. So we're basically going to cut both ends of the B post. Now our other rescuer is going to come in with a spreader, and we're going to push the entire side of the vehicle away. Both doors and the B post, removing the side of the vehicle. It will swing out on the front door hinges. Now rescuers, one of the things that sometimes happens with the side removal evolution, the tear does not always tear correctly. Sometimes we have to go back in with a cutter and cut it a little bit to help it along a little bit better. Now rescuers, now that we have the side removed, we're actually going to sever the door hinges to remove the entire side of the vehicle. And thus made a pathway to get our patient out rapidly. Okay, once we've severed both hinges with a hydraulic cutter, we're going to go back in and sever the wires with a hand tool.
Start pulling the door back, guys.
Okay, rescuers, we've gone through our overturned vehicle scenario. Our rescue team has come in. They've done our hazard survey. They've located the patient. They've managed the patient. They've stabilized the vehicle. They've taken the pathway to begin removing the patient away by taking the side of the vehicle away from the vehicle itself. Now, I'd like to thank you for watching Training Minutes. I'd like to thank Homacho for sponsoring Fire Engineering Training Minutes. Be safe out there.